Congratulations! I have heard you have started your own practice. तो कैसा चल रहा है?
थैंक यू निकी। हाँ, चालू तो किया है, पर पता नहीं क्लाइंट्स कहाँ से लाऊं। क्लाइंट्स नहीं मिल रहे।
मैं समझ सकती हूँ। For most of the chartered accountants, getting client in the initial period is very difficult. But I can help you to get clients very quickly.
अरे, that will be so wonderful. Please tell me how to get clients.
मुझे क्या देगी उसके बदले में?
अरे, तू जो बोलेगी वो। पिज्जा पार्टी दूँ क्या?
Okay, then let me tell you what is to be done.
See, understand, to get clients only two things are required. First, client should know that you are looking for work, and secondly, they should trust that you will be able to handle their work in the best possible manner. So you have to reach more people in the least possible time. So in today's COVID time, it is not possible to meet people physically. So there is one option, that is online. On internet, you can spread word to more people very quickly. But as per ICI guidelines, you cannot advertise your services directly. So you have to take advantage of things which are allowed. So what you have to do is spread knowledge. Whatever new notification, circular, due date come, you have to spread it on social media. People are looking for knowledge and they will start following you. Soon they will come to know that you are a knowledgeable person and you also take work. This will generate a lot of inquiries for you. Also, spreading knowledge with your current clients builds brand. It's like client servicing and good client experience. But the spread of knowledge has to be consistent. Do it every month. Be fast. Whenever there is a change in due date, let people know about it. Create good, attractive banner. Your idea is good, but please understand that I am a single chartered accountant. I don't have staff right now. Also, I don't have the skills to create such banners, nor I have the software to prepare such banners. किस तरीके से ये सब मैं करूँ? In that case, you must use services of Practice Guru. They create very beautiful due date reminder banners every month which you can send to your clients. You know, my practice is new and in COVID situation the cash flows are poor. How would I afford these services? Don't worry, they are very reasonably priced. They are very cost effective. It will be a small investment for you for big returns. Monthly cost is not even what you pay in a coffee shop today. Nice! You have solved a very big problem. Due to COVID, I thought I will not be able to get any clients. But now I am confident I will get lot of inquiries and lot of business. I am so happy for you, Ricky. So when we are going for pizza party? कौन सा pizza party?